Okay, so they said that if you throw something at 35 meter per second at an angle of 25 degree, so will it score 6 or not? And to score 6, it has to travel a distance of 85 meter. So it's pretty easy. First of all, we have to find how much total time was it in the air. Okay, if you want to know how much total time was it in the air, you have to take s equals to 0, acceleration is equal to minus 9.81, your time is equal to question mark, and your initial velocity is u sine, that is basically 35 sine 25 degree. Okay, so now after that, s equals to ut plus half at square, you use this ut plus half at square. I'll solve the sum, I'll give you the answer, then I'll start the recording again. Okay, I finished the sum till here. I hope you are able to see it. What I did is I used s equals to ut plus half at square. Instead of u, I put 35 sine 25t and minus sign because acceleration is minus half as equal to ut plus half at square. In this case, it's going to be minus half at square. Okay, so now there has been some interchange and time I got 3 seconds. That means horizontally, vertically it was traveling for 3 seconds. That means horizontally also it was traveling for 3 seconds only. Vertically, if it is traveling for 3 seconds, horizontally it was also traveling for 3 seconds. And horizontal direction, what is the formula? We always use this formula, s equals to u cos theta into t. That is going to be 35, okay, into cos 25 degree into time is 3. 35 into cos 25, 35 into cos 25 into 3, if we do, we will get around 95 meter. That means that ball traveled 95, that is greater than 85 meter. Yes, that means they have scored the 6. Okay.